So you are willing to communicate with us.
Even see that one. See this one. What is happening? I'm not getting actually.
First question from me. How many of you are here? Can I get a number? I need to get a number. How many of you are here? $30 plus? Are you more than 30 here? I got the number 30 plus. More than 30? If yes, if I have got the number right, can one of you please again come close to this device and spike it? It's gone down to 0.5. If you are more than 30 here, can you please once again come close to this device? And it's more of, it's only men.
Prisoners of war.
Only men.
Prisoners of war. Prisoners of war ये वो टर्म है उन लोगों के लिए यूज किया गया जिन्होंने जो जिसूस थे जर्मन्स जिनको ब्रिटिशर्स ने मारा बोला ना मैंने.
And I get, why am I getting this pain on the left? Was any one of you stabbed or hurt here
Bullet.
very brutally on the left side of your body in the abdomen? What the heck? Someone actually pulled my shirt. I felt the pull. So no, proper ऐसे करके.
Are you pointing towards somewhere? कोई particular direction में आप बुला रहे हो? Are you calling us to a particular point, particular grave? If you are, can you make a noise from that particular point, a click or anything?
Did someone just pull my shirt?
Because moment before I just felt like, like we should ask them any other, like any particular grave they want us to investigate. Every time saying grave, it is going to, 1.1.
Was any one of you stabbed in your lower abdomen or brutally? I have this, and this is not, I never had this pain until I reached here. If any one of you was really the one who is standing here or probably just pulled my shirt, were you hit or stabbed on the left side of your lower abdomen? If yes, can you please come close to this device? Okay, so I am coming closer to you. I am coming closer to that place who was watching us. There was someone watching us from there.
Yep.
I am coming closer to you. I have two devices with me. The spikes will go up if I come closer to you, and you can speak with the help of this device. Whatever you want to say. You were standing here, right? You were standing here. Are you still there? Oh, वो I think वो जिसका grave है, वो जिसका grave है.
हाँ, maybe. Oh, that grave is very heavy, Aditi.
This one?
हाँ, I don't know. It's like a body अभी ऐसा पड़ा क्यों पैर ऐसा है. It's like something very different.
Oh. Okay, I'm keeping the devices here, somewhere close to your grave. But you the one who was watching us. But you the one who was watching us from behind the tree while we were communicating on the other side. You want to talk? You want to talk to us? Were you inquisitive of what's exactly happening? What a word. Camera. Camera.
Camera.
You said camera? Camera. This is not a camera. Do you mean if this is a camera? Are you trying to find out what this is? This is a tri-field. This is not a camera and neither this is a camera. These are our devices through which, with the help of which you can communicate with us. So you are somewhere close because the numbers are rising. 4.2,
4.2.
4.3. But I don't feel any pain right now. Can you give us another word? Are you one of the people who lost their life during the British era? घूम रहे हैं वो लोग यहाँ वहाँ.
Not to home, here.
I would say.
Hell. I got the word hell.
What?
What?
Hell.
Hell?
हाँ.
Was torturing you people felt
Was-
like hell?
It felt like hell when you were being tortured. Is that what you mean? Your life was like a hell? Is that what you mean? Why am I being attracted on this side? You want me to come this side?
There was a noise from inside.
From where? हाँ मेरा भी वहीं से ध्यान
Yeah,
गया.
even she is walking towards that side.
3.74.
What the hell?
What?
56 पे गया ये इधर.
56?
I'm getting it.
56. I just saw that.
What is this?
ये प्रो है कि नॉर्मल गोज?
Normal है. The thing that actually never goes up so far.
I know. It's going crazy. What replies are you getting? Like, can you?
He's got a male voice. Do one thing.
हाँ.
मैं शिवा को दे रहा हूँ PSB का so that he can listen while he's recording.
Okay.
ठीक है? Whatever you are getting, that's the speaker. जाओ.
ये है ना?
Oh dude, come here.
क्या?
हाँ? सरबा, it was very clear. दीदी ने क्या पूछा? Same voice में क्या पूछा इधर?
हाँ कुछ तो आया.
Same. I could hear. Same voice में क्या पूछा?